This is the best bowl of shrimp and grits ever, and I'm going to show you how to make them. Welcome back to recipes that no one asked me for. To my peeled and deveined shrimp, I'm going to add some Grille Spice mix, some onion powder, Italian seasoning, and Haitian épices. Give that a nice mix and allow that to sit. To my pan, I have some chopped up red onions and some olive oil, a little bit of garlic, some salt, and black pepper, which I'm going to push to the side and then add my seasoned shrimp and mix it all together. I'm then going to add some paprika, some red chili flakes, give that a nice toss. And I added some multicolored peppers, a little bit of water, some lemon slices, and a squeeze of lemon, and some fresh parsley. Allowed everything to come up to a boil, and at this point I'm going to plate my grits into my bowl and add my saucy shrimp and peppers. And I promise you, you will be thanking me for this recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like. If you are not following me, go ahead and hit me a follow. Until next time, bye.